Ever been told that apologizing to your child makes you look weak? That's one of the most dangerous parenting myths out there. In fact, refusing to apologize doesn't protect your authority, it erodes trust. A 2020 University of Virginia study found that kids who received authentic apologies from parents grew up with higher self-esteem, better emotional regulation, and were 37% more likely to apologize in their own relationships later in life. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the 4 steps to apologizing like a strong parent, and I'll show you the mistake most parents make that actually makes things worse. Stay with me, because the last step is the one almost nobody gets right. Step 1. Regulate before you repair. Picture this: your kid spills juice all over the carpet, you snap, and then instantly regret it. The urge is to rush into sorry, but here's the truth: if you're still angry, your apology will sound fake. Neurologist Dr. Daniel Siegel calls this name it to tame it. If you can't name and calm your own emotion first, your child will feel the tension underneath your words. Instead, take a beat. Literally. Step outside, grab water, even say out loud, "I need a moment to calm down, then I'll come back." That 60-second pause can be the difference between repair and relapse. Step 2. The 3-part apology. Most parents blow it here. They apologize in the wrong way. "I'm sorry if you felt" is not an apology, it's a dodge. Psychologist Harriet Lerner breaks it into 3 parts. 1. Acknowledge exactly what you did. "I yelled at you when you spilled the milk." 2. Validate their feelings. "I can see that scared you." 3. Make amends. "Next time, I'll speak calmly. Let's clean this up together." And here's the kicker: don't tack on excuses like "I was stressed from work." Kids hear explanations as excuses. NBA coach Steve Kerr once said the proudest words from his son weren't about basketball, but, "Dad, I trust you to fix your mistakes." That trust came from consistent, real apologies, not excuses. Step 3. Anchor it in identity. This is where good apologies turn into great ones. And your apology with a reminder of who they are to you. "I love you. Even when I make mistakes, you're still the most important person in my world." A 2017 Journal of Family Psychology study found that kids who received this type of reassurance had lower physiological stress markers. Their heart rates literally calmed down faster after conflict. It's not just about fixing the mistake. It's about reminding them that your love is unconditional. Step 4. Model the follow-through. Here's the step almost nobody talks about: what happens after the apology. If you yell again the next morning, your words lose weight. But if your behavior shifts, your child learns that apologies mean growth, not empty promises. And yes, sometimes your child won't accept it right away. If they say, "I don't forgive you," don't push. Instead, "That's okay. I'll be here when you're ready." Because forcing forgiveness teaches compliance, not healing. The long game is trust, not instant harmony. Why this matters? When you apologize the right way, you're not losing authority, you're building moral authority. Kids don't respect perfection. They respect repair. And decades from now, when they face conflict in their own marriage, friendships, or workplace, they'll remember your script. Remember, authority without accountability is just control. A good apology doesn't erase the past, it writes a better future. When you apologize, you're not lowering yourself. You're raising the relationship. So, which of these 4 steps do you think would be hardest for you? Regulating, the 3-part apology, anchoring in identity, or following through? Drop the number in the comments, and I bet you'll find a lot of parents feel the same way. And if this hit home, watch my next video, because what you don't say to your kid is just as powerful as what you do.